Hi everyone, this is Smriti. Welcome to QA automation classes. So today we are going to understand the final topic in Git, that is cherry pick. So what exactly is a cherry pick and how we are going to do the cherry pick. Okay. So we have already looked into the concept of the merging, rebasing and cherry picking, but in all the cases we are getting the commits from the different branch to the another branch, right? So usually we get the commits from the feature branch to one of the base branch or the master branch. That's what is the entire concept, right? So we can do that with the help of the merge, with the help of rebase. And now cherry pick is like something with contrast to merge and rebase, will pick any specific commit. Okay, so let me explain here. Okay, so if you see, let's compare between the merge, cherry pick and rebase. Okay, so let's say I have a commit over here. This is my first commit. On top of this I have, let's say, an sorry, so on top of it, let's say I have one more commit. This is second commit, and on top of it I have one more commit, let's say third commit. Okay, so these three commits are there. Okay, and this is in the master branch. Okay, and let's say from the master branch, from here we are taking another branch, diverging. This is first commit and there is one more commit. Okay, so now we are going to merge. So when we are going to merge, then from here and from here we are going to connect here. Okay, so this is nothing but your merge. Okay, so this is, I can write as m, this is merge. Okay, so we are merging. This is how the merge process works. Okay, this is merge. I'll say this is merge. Okay, this is merge. So now let's take some other color. Okay, and we'll see, let's see the rebase. So in the rebase, what happens? So let's say we have one commit, first commit. On top of that we have another commit. Okay, second commit, and on top of that, let's say we have one more commit. Okay, so third commit, let's say we are doing the rebasing, right? So let's say we had another commit from here, right? So from here we took another branch, and here we had, let's say, first commit. Here we had another commit, two commit. So what exactly we are doing after rebasing? We are transferring these commits, right, to here. This commit will go here, right? And again, on top of this commit will go here, right? So now finally it will look like this. So in the rebasing you will see a linear sequence, right? A sequence. This is a linear sequence, right? So this is how the this is the concept of the rebase. Okay, so let's say this is rebase. Okay, this is rebase. So now come to the case of the cherry picking. Okay, so what exactly is this cherry picking? So let's see, in the cherry picking, let's say I have commit, right? So let's say I have my first commit over here, and on top of that I have one more commit. This is, let's say, this is our master branch. I am having commits like this: first commit, second commit, and then I'm having one more commit, let's say third commit. Three commits are there. So let's, from the third commit, okay, so let's say from the second commit I'm going to get create another branch, and in the branch, let's say I'm going to have the first commit here. So this is branch first commit. On top of that I can have another commit, branch second commit. Okay, so now if I want to cherry pick, let's say out of these two commits I want to cherry pick this, I can cherry pick this commit or this commit also. Any commit is fine. I'm saying I just want to cherry pick this commit to be come and sit on my master. So now I have the master head is pointing here, right? So the master head will be pointing here, master branch will be pointing here. So not head, you can say master branch is pointing to the this concept, this commit, latest commit. This is the master commit. Okay, master branch commit. Okay, and here I want to cherry pick this commit. So from the feature branch, let's say this is feature branch F1. So from the feature branch I want the commit C1, right? Let's say this is C1 commit. So I want commit to be present here on top of the master branch. So we are going to have feature branch F1 C1, feature branch first commit F1 C1, right? So this is how we can cherry pick a particular commit from the different branch to our current working branch. So this is nothing but your cherry pick concept. Okay, so this is our cherry pick. Okay, so if we see the difference between merge, rebase and cherry pick, merge is like we have diverted and then again we have merged, so there will be a merge commit. In rebase we have diverted and then we are merging, we are kind of rebasing, so there will be linearly arranged, so there will be linear history. If you see here, it is all linear, right? So this is completely linear history, right? This history is linear. Okay, and this is a rebase, and in the cherry pick from the feature branch we should select any particular commit or multiple commit also we can select, and we then cherry pick them to the current branch. This is the difference. Okay, hope this is clear, guys. Okay, so let's see this in action. So how to achieve this? So we'll go to the, let's go to our IntelliJ and start doing this. So close this one, let's go to IntelliJ. Okay, so now if you see in the last session we actually deleted all the branches, right? So I am only left with only one branch, that is a master. Okay, excuse me. So from the master, let's go and create a new branch from the master, local master, new branch from master. That's fine. So let's say feature one and check out the feature one branch. Okay, so now we are in the feature one branch, so this is our code base. So let's go here and say have some few commits here. Cherry picking first commit, cherry picking, this is a first commit in feature one branch. Okay, so this is my change. I'll say commit. I can do one thing, let me copy this one. So git commit, adding as commit message, commit. Okay, fine. So now if you see, the feature one is updated, right? So now feature one is pointing to this first commit. So let's have one more commit on top of it. Copy. So cherry picking second commit in feature one branch. Yes, that's correct. So let's commit this one also. So cherry picking, we'll say second commit in feature one branch. So let's commit this one also. Commit. Okay. So now the two commits are there. If you see here, so cherry picking fast commit in feature one and feature two, and where is exactly our master branch? So if you hover over here, you can see head, origin slash master, both are pointing here. Okay, so let's go to our master branch. Okay, and I want to see all. Okay, so let's go to our master branch, and we want to do one commit in the master branch. Let's see. Let's go to our master branch, local master, checkout. Okay, master branch for cherry picking. For cherry picking demo. Let's say cherry picking demo. Okay, so now this is my change in the master branch. So let's go and say commit. So let me copy the message first. We'll put same as the commit message. Okay, it will be easy to understand. So copied, git commit. So this is master branch commit. Okay, so let's see. So okay, so master branch is advanced to here now, and we have the feature branch here. First commit and second commit are there, In master branch, if you see, we don't have the first commit and second commit of the feature branch because this is diverged from the main line, right? So if you see, this is a separate line, separate branch is there, and this code is never merged with our main line or the master code. See, if you see the master code base is different, and if I go to this commit and see, this code base will be different, right? So cherry picking first commit, cherry picking second commit in feature branch, those things are not there, right, in the master branch because those code never got merged. But let someone is still working on that branch. I'll say I want this first commit to be present in my master branch. Okay, I want that changes, right? So how to do that? So in this case, we will go with the cherry picking concept. Okay, so for the cherry picking, okay, so let's do that one. So let's go to the this one and say master cherry pick, right? So we are currently in our master branch. Okay, I'm saying okay, it's showing there are outgoing changes, right? Because we updated and committed the master branch. It is not in sync with the remote repository. That's why it's showing the master branch has outgoing commits. That's okay. So let's get this commit from the feature one branch to the master branch. So let's say I'm selecting the master branch, select this one. Here you can see the branch I'm not selecting nothing, so that means everything will be coming here in the git log. If you want to see the log for a specific, we can select them, but now it is fine for me, like I want to see everything here. So I'll see, right click on this one and say cherry pick. Okay, so when you do the cherry picking, if there is a merge conflict, you need to resolve the merge conflict. So double click and see. Okay, here also you can see what is the merge conflict, right? Head and all is coming there, right? So if you see, this is the result and this is the local changes that I have, and this is from the cherry pick from the remote the feature branch, right? Okay, so this is the cherry picking commit from the feature branch. So I'm uh, cherry picking the first commit. So if you see in the cherry picking, this is the cherry pick this branch commit id. If you see here, you see cherry picking first commit in feature one branch. Okay, and here if you see new commit in the master branch for cherry picking demo, these two are conflicting, right? Because on the same line we have the these two changes. One is from the master branch, one is from the cherry picked commit branch, cherry picked commit of the feature branch, right? This is a cherry picked commit of the feature branch first commit. So what we need to do, either we need to, okay, we say okay, I need my changes as well as the I need the changes what we want from the uh, like remote branch, not remote branch. I say I want the changes from the that feature branch commit. Okay, so both the changes I'll say okay, first I need my changes whatever is there, and then again I need the changes from the that branch, feature branch. So I have added both of them. If you see, new commit in the master branch for cherry picking demo, and then cherry picking first commit in the feature one branch, then say apply. Okay, so now commit message. Okay, so cherry picking, so you can see getting first commit from feature one branch to master branch. Instead of getting, let's be little more professional, like I can say cherry picking. Okay, cherry picking, I'm saying cherry picking first commit from the feature one branch to the master branch. Let's commit. Okay, so now if you see, right, our master branch is updated, and what it has now, it has the first cherry picked commit that we wanted from the feature branch. So the feature branch commit whatever we wanted to be cherry picked to our master, that is now available in our master. So now if you see the master branch, it's saying there are outgoing changes, so we can just push the changes to the remote branch. Okay, this is the cherry picking commit and both the commits are there, so we'll say push, done. So now push two commits to the origin slash master. So master, if we go to the remote repository and see the master, right? So let's see main.java, you can see, right? So new commit in the master branch for cherry picking demo, and cherry picking fast commit in feature one branch. So both are present here. Okay. So yeah, and here if you see this feature one branch, we have never pushed to the remote, so that's why it is not available in the remote. If we want, we can push that to the remote, it will start appearing there also. Okay, but the concept of the cherry picking is fairly simple, right? If you want to get a particular commit from another branch to your current branch, you can do the cherry picking. You go to the your log, okay, git log, and then here remove any filter if selected, so that all the logs for the all the branches will come here. So you see whatever in you be in your branch where you want to pull the commit from the other branch, and then right click on that commit. Okay, from the other branch you can see this is my other branch is pointing to this commits. So you go to that commit, right click and say just say cherry pick. Okay, and then if there is a merge conflict, resolve it, and then do a commit, you are good to go. That's how the cherry picking is done in the real time. Okay, after you are done with your changes, you can push your changes to the remote repository. Okay, so yeah, that's all to the this cherry picking concept, and with this we are going to conclude the entire git IntelliJ integration section. Okay, and there will be no new sessions. Like we can have some sessions for the question answers, or maybe some shortcuts and all. I might do those sessions. Okay, so but concept wise, if you see, we have covered everything, and if you go through these videos, definitely you will be able to answer any questions that are being asked in the your interview from the git. And while working in the real time, this concept is more than sufficient for you to work as a automation test engineer or a software developer in the your current organization. Okay, so yeah, if you guys are liking these sessions, so I would request you to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Okay, we will again meet with the new sessions. Thank you. Bye.